Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I am in Zurrieq. This is Tabakkari ruins. Mela, today I will be doing a new trek, a new year, a new trek, and some resolutions, which I'll tell you later, although they are always the same. Mela, today I'm going to do a trek, as usual, which I'm doing lately, from Trek Deck Malta. I scan the card and give me the trek. Today we're going to do Zurrieq, Wied Fulija and around. It's going to be 1.5 hour approximately, although with video takes a lot longer. It's going to be 6.1 kilometers. It's going to be a loop. We'll be coming from there, hopefully, and it's going to be inland, so it will be some nice country roads. Let me give you some good light. And I'm going to start from here, from Tabakkari ruins. Look how nice they are. It was like a structure. I never saw these before. You can see these columns are, we have four. It was like a small home or temple. I will check if there is something written in a structure. And even if we go here, it used to even have a well, very interesting structure, and they did a very good job. To be safe, they covered it with metal. It's really interesting, and look, it really looks nice. But now let's start our trek. As usual, I want to thank Zoleo for sponsoring for another year, which keeps me safe, and wherever I am I have reception, and Sharon can check wherever I am. If something, let's say I don't go home, she can go in, check where the Zoleo is marking me, and can send help there. Or if I'm really in trouble, I can pop this button here and send help there. But let's start our walk. It's a very nice temple, like I like these things. Malta is full of history. But now let's start. There's even something more here. Let's go and see what the history tells us. This was the Tabakkari area, and if we go here, the area of Tabakkari is rich in archaeological remains, as well as other ruins of times gone by. There seems to be a cart truss dating to a Bronze Age, while the number of megaliths could have been part of a Roman prehistoric structure. And you can read it. Stop it and read. And this is a Maltese. And now let's go. And today I'm not in shorts. For us today is 12 degrees during the day, which is super cold. This morning it was 7 degrees. I was seeing the news compared to the UK now. Maybe you're laughing at me because there is a big storm and it's very cold. Last week I didn't do a video. It was super windy, and if I compare to other places like Canada, US, Germany, I don't know, everywhere, they have very cold weather. But we are blessed in there. Although it's 12 degrees in the sun, I have this light jacket with me and I'm very good. And let's go to the New Year resolutions. What do you think? If you see me how big I'm getting, I started diet again for a change, and hopefully start training again, because it's good for my health. I know that it's not good that I got fat again, but it's part of my life and I'm trying to correct it. There's too much good. Auntie, this time I can blame Sharon, because she cooks very good food. It's not my fault. Or what I do, I don't eat. She gets upset because of this. No, she cooks very healthy food. If she knows about this message, she will kill me on camera. and post it on my channel. And now let's start walking in this beautiful countrysides and roads. Look how beautiful the countryside is from here. It's all green with these nice wells here. I'm moving on tarmac for now. Speaking about the New Year resolution, what are your resolutions for this year? Look what we have here with big GP on it. Never saw, I never saw like this with GP. Anybody knows anything about this? Let me know in the comments. Normally they are line markers. And from the main road here, I'm going to start heading this side there, which are more country roads and not country feet. It's very quiet and nice here. Remember that today we are in Zurrieq. This in a week I have my birthday, and in a week or 5 days ago, on the 18th January is my birthday, and on the 21st or 22nd, I have to check, I forgot, I have Sharon's birthday. I think she will going to kill me twice on this vlog soon. And she's going to turn 50, so she's going to have a big celebration, Barbie girl like, that's why I call it. But let me show you the area. These are nice walks. My 100% favorite is when we are at the edge of the cliffs, but like this it's nice as well. Look how nice, these I like, these are perfect. How beautiful they are. These some rubble walls are. Malta has a lot of them, very narrow and winding roads. I need to add camping, but let's wait till Sharon's party is over. I don't want to catch cold now, because she will kill me the third time this time. So, because she has been preparing so much for her 50th birthday, and for sure I will not ruin hers. I think she will be super happy with it. But now, let's continue walking, and hopefully I start walking more often too. The food I already reduced a lot, and even the sweets nearly to zero. Remember, I'm still using Trek Deck Malta cars. I found them helpful, and they are giving me new ideas where I go. Today I have my drone. Hopefully I have some good shots, because I repaired everything. It was very cheap to adjust, because I have minor problem. But I'm looking forward to see Wied Fulija, and hopefully we can get a good glimpse from the cliffs. And if it's not windy, I will put my drone up. That part there is Wied Fulija Park, and hopefully we are going there, and then we go back. And today was all on tarmac, and here is saying this is the way to Wied Fulija. This is the name, Fulija. And I think I better check the map of Trek Deck Malta. Look how nice is this plaque of name. Wow, this is stylish. Ceramic name, Wied Fulija. But now let's check if I am in the right direction on my mobile. Just check Google Maps with the Trek Deck Malta on it, and I am the right direction till now. I did around 3 kilometers, so we are nearly halfway. But I am enjoying this walk. Hope the wind will be back so I can show you around with the drone as well. We reach Wied Fulija. Look at the structure, how nice it is, isn't it? Huh? This is how it's very beautiful how it starts. And it's telling you we are here. It's a very small park. So we are with Fulija. And have fun and enjoy. Yes. Consider other views and neighbors. Yes. Stay within designated paths. Yes. Clean any litter. Yes. No littering. Agree. No interfering with other people's enjoyment. No smoking, open fires or barbecue. Okay. No vandalism, defacing or removing property. So we agree. And let me show you this area. This is when you arrive here, you find this one, which is I really like. It's a very small park. Something I mention a lot is I wish that the authorities start thinking about people who like camping. Imagine if the area here have a very small park. It doesn't need to be a big area, and is done for camping. And for me it could be with permit. You pay a small fee, and if they made a CCTV that is a little bit far away, not so close, so on the area, so everybody takes care, doesn't make difference for me. I will still enjoy. But look how nice this area is. This area here, one can find these beautiful benches, and this beautiful area here, lots of streets. Look how beautiful it is. Imagine we have a small camping spot in an area like this. It will be amazing. And here we have even those. Look how nice they are. Look how nice it is. And let's head to the edge of the cliff. Some people with dogs here. It's very nice. Now we are going to see a little bit the cliffs. I just met a nice gentleman here, it's called Thomas, with his dogs, and we have even a nice chat. Once I trekked and I passed from here. I remember passing from here because they were building this place up, and they were very angry with me because I was passing from down here. They told me it's closed and dangerous, but you know, we take care, but we pass from everywhere. But look how amazing this area is. Wow. We are on the cliffs, yeah? And there is the beloved Filfla. What is very nice, this park. I remember when I had that problem, we are passing from down here. Look how beautiful it is. And these views. This is a part of the detour you will find here from the cars of the Trek Deck Malta. If I'm not mistaken, here it was like a garbage dump, and they turned it into a park, which is super cool. This is the puffing time. I'm going up. But look how beautiful it is here. I have Filfla down there. And like this, now I'm moving inland. This is the view I had. Imagine being a dump here for waste, and now is this beauty, yeah? And there are some nice fields here as well. I need one like this for camping. Till now I did around 4 kilometers, so a really easy walk today. The views, I cannot complain. I think now we will head at the entrance of the park and continue our loop. Remember, I'm using Trek Deck Malta. It's called Wied Fulija. If anybody knows where the name originated, please comment below. And remember to send me your New Year's resolution if you made them, and if you made them last year, if you kept them or not. Temperature has dropped now. We say bye to Wied Fulija. It's big thumbs up. I really like this place. Look how beautiful. Amazing, yeah, the sun. There is filth there. Green everywhere. Very nice, huh? It has everything you can imagine to relax. Huh? This will be a nice spot to camp here. But now, let's continue on. Huh? I'm just 6 kilometers in, and we are nearly near my car. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. As I always, I want to thank Zoleo for keeping me safe in any environment. This place is here. We have mobile phone reception, but in many places where I go, I don't have. And this one gives me peace of mind. And this one works here and all over the world, which is a plus. So when I go on a holiday, I'm taking it with me. Also, I want to thank Trek Deck Malta for giving me the cars for free, but expecting nothing back. But I really love them. When I have problems, I have support. So big thumbs up and new ideas. I wish you all a very happy new year. Thank you all for what you do to me, because many of you now are my friends. They support me with the channel, even by commenting under my videos. You are helping me, so thank you all. Wish me luck for the diet for the 100th time now. People who've been following me so long know my struggle. And Christmas, because the problem is Christmas doesn't help, Easter doesn't help, Valentine doesn't help, the birthday doesn't help, summer we have ice cream. Every time it's a good excuse to eat something. But until next time, bye bye, yeah.